They're so beautiful. I've seen so many beautiful trees of different species, taken so many pictures. I think that is one of the most remarkable things.
My favorite thing is the beach, the blue crystal water, and also the people. They've been very welcoming, very informative. They've been answering our questions.
If I come back, it'll be to a beach so I can take photographs. That's all I like to do. It's birds, my kids jumping in the waves, something I can remember years down the road. So.
The beautiful water, it's just the Caribbean, you can't beat it. You know, the color and the sound of the waves, wonderful.
Yeah, I would come again. Yeah, I just like, it feels nice. It's nice, like the weather is nicer than Florida, than just the heat wise, feels nicer.
Remarkable. I think of God when I see the water. I think and see God's hand in the creation of Tobago.